So natay blood transfusion set, blood bag, alcohol swab, bandage scissors, duha ka kidney basin, basic vital sign set, allergenic tape. It's preferable gid ang alcohol swab pero kung wala gid kay cotton balls with alcohol. Patient's chart.
So first procedure please.
So first is to check the patient's chart for the following: the physician's written order, the number of blood units, the type of blood product, the type of infusion, blood type.
If you fill up the blood request form. So, filled up na ang blood request form. After that,
Hello, good afternoon. Ward 3B. Ma'am, mag-ask lang ko, patient Sabrina Carpenter. Okay na iyang dugo, ma'am? Na match na, ma'am?
Yes, sir.
Na typing na po, ma'am?
Yes, sir.
Sige. Thank you so much. Good afternoon. Ma'am, pwede mo sa mga room? Kano sa mo birthday, ma'am? Sige. So, ma'am, ay order si Doc, ma'am, na magpa-transfuse na o dugo ba? Kana 1 pack siya ng lumapirma dali. Thank you.
So after obtaining the consent form,
So, good morning, ma'am. For patient Sabrina Carpenter, ma'am. Check lang ko palihog, ma'am.
dapat sa laboratory ang blood niya. Check the blood.
the patient's name, the blood type and blood group, cross-matching result, blood unit and serial number, expiration date of the unit, and presence of bubbles and sediments.
Okay. Give the yellow form to the lab for verification. Okay. Verify ta.
Name of patient, Carpenter Sabrina.
Sakto lang. So, confirm lang ako, ma'am, ha? Collection date, August 20, 2025. Expiry, August 31, 2025. Case number 213542. Pack RBC 500cc. Blood type B, RH factor positive. Serial number 082024. Sakura, ma'am.
Yes, sir.
Doc, good morning. Doc, pa-verify lang ko, Doc, ha, sa dugo.
Name of patient, Carpenter Sabrina.
Sakura, Doc. So, collection date, Doc, August 20, 2025. Mo expire August 31. Thank you, Doc.
Another
Name of patient, Carpenter Sabrina.
Sakura, collection date, August 20, 2024. Sakura. Thank you.
Then let's gather other materials needed. Then you will perform medical conduct.
on. So, open, drop lang siya. So, a reminder for everybody opening the sterile packs.
Ensuring that all air bubbles are out of the tubing.
So, check ha sa blood bag if may tubes. And after you check, you have to connect the blood set to the blood bag. Do that one carefully. Show them please. It should look like that. So, dapat nakabutang ang whole spike into the blood bag. Okay, after that, you will prime. To do that, put it in the not lang hang the whole tube, sir. Sige, prime ka. How do you prime? Open the roller clamp. Open the roller clamp. Make sure no bubbles, air bubbles in your tubes. After you prime, close. What do you do, miss?
Then you then close off the roller clamp of the blood cell.
Yes. Put it down. Then do that one cleanly. Please make sure the tubes will not be tangled together.
Then place the prime blood set with blood bag, hypoallergenic tape, waste receptacle, and alcohol swab on the small hypo tray.
So, alcohol swabs, bandage scissors, hypoallergenic tape into the small hypo tray. That's why you need 2 gloves. Then throw in your receptacle. Then, now please.
Ma'am, good morning. Good afternoon. Pwede ko masod? Ma'am, saan ito yung mga pangalan, ma'am? Date of birth ni ma'am. So ma'am, magsugod na po ma'am ha. Pabutang, okay na pabutang sa gamit eh.
Before doing that, what do you do?
You will take the patient's vital signs.
Take patient's vital signs. Take the vital signs, please. What do we do next?
You prepare a strip of hypoallergenic tape.
Then, what do we do next? Dili pa. Drape the patient's arm, please. Sige. Let's see. Hang it on top, please. Find lang a spot. Then cleanly put the whole tube in the hook. Next is we will clean the Y port. In circular motion, ha? Sige. Needle into the Y port, but because dili mo compatible atong blood set of main line, so what we will do is to then do it cleanly. And after you secure, always make sure nga off ang roller clamp sa blood transfusion.
And you transfuse blood slowly for the first 15 minutes. For adults, it's 15 to 20 drops per minute.
Later on, when you adjusted na a white blood bag into the Y port, you close the main line. So close the main line. After you close the main line, that's the time you will regulate the blood bag. So dire mag-monitor ta for adverse reaction. So you talk to your patient, ask your patient if okay na ba siya na-feel. Verbalize, okay, 2 hours after the procedure na, that's the time you will take the vital signs. Okay, 4 hours, close the blood administration set na line. After that, you open and regulate the main line. So regulate, then after we regulate, so after care na ta, para dili mo maglibot. After, okay, after this aspect. How to educate patient, say ma-feel niya, asa kaniya pangitaon. After that, that's the time you can leave the bedside. When you feel like okay na yung patient, wala na lipong si patient, then you may go. You document first in your white form, in your yellow form. You go back na yellow form dira. Sige, na yellow form dira. Can you show them the yellow form? If you can see the yellow form, then also.
Kita ko ba?
If you can see the yellow form, na diray before, during, after nga vital signs. Dira isuwat ang vital signs. Ha? After that, you will flip. You will see the 24-hour. Naka 24 hours, sir. Report sheet. You go to your 24-hour assessment na sheet, your nurse's notes. So, this one. Kana. Kana. Have that one also. You will document there at the back. You will document at the back the nurse's notes. Kana boxes at the back. With that being said, you should prepare all 3 ball pens. Now, you will not know what time you administer. All 3 ball pens for AM, PM, night. On the day of your return demonstration, you will be given a scenario and you will be given the doctor's order. The blood request form will only be filled during the return demo. That means you have to read the case scenario carefully. Pero kabalo mo unsay mabutang sa documentation. Nakuha?
Yes, miss.
Any questions regarding the procedure?
No.
No questions? Nasabtan ra? Yes.